Hello there, this is a review, little review and unpackaging on a SP12 Sportsman's flashlight from Leadwave. This is the case that is coming in. So let's open and have a look. Very nice presentation. We have the manual booklet here, very well printed, different languages, which is very good. So here we have the flashlight, very beautifully designed, very precise, aircraft aluminum. We have a clip as well here. So it comes with one lithium battery and with a lanyard, very completed. So let's have a look about the performance. We remove the tail cap here. Only one lithium battery and a great performance, as we will see right now. Some room. Very beautiful cuts here, the aluminium handcraft. So what we have here is flashlight with two modes. We have low, we have high mode. Here we have a hotspot and corona. Low mode at momentary on, or we can have it constant on, no problem, very easy. So this is a very good pocket flashlight, very handy, very small, and really pretty, very beautifully designed. Great product for outdoor people or as a backlight, as a backup light, right? So this is it. Thanks for watching.